Hello guys, this is how to create an email signature like this so that whenever you are composing an email, you do not have to write all those things down every single time. Guys, so we are going to take this. Dr. Fred, Professor of Anatomy and Neurosciences, Masters in Anatomy, PhD in Neurosciences, University of Manchester. So all this information, it's a random example to appear here whenever we are composing an email so that we do not have to type it every single time we are composing an email. So guys, first we are going to remove this information and do it ourselves so that you see how to do it. You come here to settings, you go here to all settings, then you scroll down and down and down, come here there is already this information. I am going to delete it here, delete signature, and then click delete so that we can create our own. You guys, as you can see, after deleting it, you come also in the save changes. I'm just deleting this past information so that to show you how it functions when we are doing it ourselves. When you save, it is saving the changes so that we can we can come to the other side and show you how it appears in that way. We are confirming the changes. Okay, cool. So when you come here, as you can see, this information is not existing anymore. I can write who I want to compose the email to, but as you see here, I'm required to provide that information. So straight to the point, this is how we are going to set it. Remember, this is the information we have to include as our email signature. How? You come here, this is on the homepage of the email. You go here to the settings, you click here see all settings, then you scroll down, and here we are going to create a new signature. You click create, we can type for example signature 1 and then click create. Then here is where you paste this information. You come and you copy this information quickly and you come and boom, paste here. Cool. Then you come here to signature defaults and here choose this signature 1 and same thing here, signature 1. Then you come down and click save changes. Boom. Then if I click here by composing, wow, you can see here the information appear automatically. So guys, thank you very much. This is how we create an email signature. So remember to subscribe on my YouTube channels and hit the like button and give a comment and share. Thank you very much.